Hey, my friends, I'm fixing to make us a nice fall chopped salad. Michael loves chopped salad. And I think the reason he likes a chopped salad so much is because that lettuce is cut up and he doesn't have to cut it up himself, would be my guess. But what do I know? So I've got a lot of ingredients. And because it's a fall salad, got a lot of fall flavors going on. So I'm going to start by making our dressing. And we're going to do that by mixing our mayonnaise, our buttermilk. All right, now to finish our dressing for our fall salad, I've got our mayonnaise, our buttermilk. Now I'm adding Parmesan cheese. I'm adding my black pepper. I'm adding my salt. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of champagne vinaigrette or vinegar. It smells so good. Whoa, well there went our 2 teaspoons with 1 pour. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped sage. There we go. Now the recipe tells you to pour your dressing over your chopped salad, but I don't recommend that unless you're going to be sitting down and eating as soon as you pour that dressing on top. So I'm going to put my salad dressing in a separate bowl and let everybody dress their salad as we sit down to eat. Like I said, it's a lot of ingredients. Now I'm using 2 different kinds of lettuces. I'm using an iceberg. Get out of there. And I'm going to chop this. And I'm going to bring my bowl back over here. I picked this bowl out from my jewelry store here when Michael and I married. I registered for this bowl. I thought it was so pretty. I just loved all the colors. My eye is still warm. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put my lettuce in my bowl. Another little brown piece. Now I'm going to take me some paper towels and kind of take the dampness off of our lettuce. All right, now our next lettuce is our romaine. Like I said, I'm looking for little brown pieces. And we'll chop it just like we did our iceberg. I like using the 2 different kinds of lettuce because you're going to get more brighter green from using 2 different types of lettuces. From the romaine, you're going to get a brighter green, and I just love the colors. Okay. All right, now I'm going to add our chopped cucumbers. And that is a seedless cucumber that I used. Our minced celery. And jicama. Jicama is a root vegetable, and it kind of reminds me kind of bites like sugar cane in your mouth. As a child, I was given a lot of sugar cane to chew on. And I'm sure that sugar just revved me up for my grandmama, my mama, and my Aunt Peggy to have to deal with. But this is real good. It doesn't have a whole lot of taste. It's like I said, it's a root vegetable. So I'm going to add that, and that crunch is going to make it so good. And now I'm going to add our chopped apples. See, this is what I'm saying about our salad is really meaty. Beautiful fall salad. And an ingredient that I just truly love in salads is the dried cranberries. It gives it a little bite of sweet to your salad. And last but not least, some toasted pecans. I'm swallowing hard, y'all. Okay, I just added a few croutons to the top to just give it a little bit more crunch. Now you can imagine if I had mixed this dressing in with that salad, you would have to eat it all up at the time you dressed it. Or otherwise, it would lose its body. Okay. I don't know about these two, but I want to dig in because I have fooled around and gotten hungry. Ooh, I got some jicama. And some cranberries. And some apple. I think this is a wonderful fall salad, and you can really make any kind of dressing you want to go on top of it. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one. So make it the way your tongue likes it. So, happy fall, y'all. All right, come on, gang. Y'all dig in. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.